Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute little anxiety toy or stress toy called the worryworm, and it comes with a little note, the worryworm poem in it, and you can download this worryworm poem printables in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. It's back to school time, and if you are a preschool teacher or a kindergarten teacher, you can crochet this worryworm and package them in this little treat bags along with the poem in it. And if you are a parent of a kindergartner or a preschooler, you can make this as well for your kid and your kids classroom. And today we'll see how to crochet this cute little worryworm, and you will need only few things to do this. And the written pattern of this worryworm is available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So to crochet this worryworm, you will need a worsted weight yarn. You can use any worsted weight yarn for this, and you'll need a fuzzy eyes, scissor, and 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. So starting step 1 would be work a magic ring and then work a chain 3 on the magic ring. This chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet, and you will work 11 more double crochets on the magic ring and then work a slip stitch on top of the starting chain 3 to close this magic ring or step 1, and then tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. Now do not cut or fasten off your yarn after you work the magic ring. We'll work continuously. We will work 30 chains. So once you have worked 30 chains, go ahead, work 2 half double crochet on the third chain from the hook. So this turning chain 2 will be considered as our first half double crochet. So work 1 more half double crochet in that very same chain, and then work 2 half double crochets on the next chain. So starting, we have worked 3 half double crochet, the turning chain 2 and 2 half double crochets, and then in the next chain we have worked 2 half double crochet. On the next chain we are going to work 3 half double crochets again, and in the next chain after that I'm going to work 2 half double crochets. So on every chain I'm going to alternate between 2 half double crochets and 3 half double crochets. So in one chain I'm going to work 2 half double crochet, and in the next chain I'm going to work 3 half double crochet. So this working like this is gonna naturally give us the curls that will look like a worm. So working more and more half double crochets on each chain will make the curls even more tighter. So for me this worked better, like working 3 half double crochet in one chain and 2 half double crochet in the next chain. I like this curl better. So you can see your work being curled up. And now go ahead, work the same way till your first chain. That is working 2 half double crochet in one chain and 3 half double crochets in the next chain. So now I am almost at the end. So that's my chain 1. I'm going to work. Now you can see that I have worked 3 half double crochet in my previous chain. So in this very last chain, that is the chain 1, I'm going to work 2 half double crochet, and then I will be working 1 slip stitch on the nearest double crochet, that is to the head of your worm. And now I'm going to fasten off, work a slip stitch and weave my ends, and then cut off all the extra yarn. So you can now weave your ends and cut off all the extra yarns. Now I'm gonna use hot glue gun to place my fuzzy eyes on the worm's head. So I'm just gonna place them like that, and that's it. Your cute little worryworm is ready now. Let it dry for some time and it will be ready. So I have used same pattern and crocheted worryworms and few other colors as well, and attached those fuzzy eyes to them, and this can be made in a few minutes. So you can make them in bulk, and you can give them as a classroom gift as well when the school starts. So this is our cute little worryworm, and I have the free printable, the worryworm poem that goes along with it, that you can place it in the treat bag where you're gonna package this worryworm. So you can download the free printable in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com, where I have this free pattern for this worryworm. So make this worryworm, and it's a very good back to school toy or anxiety toy for preschoolers and kindergarteners. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna package it. I'm gonna use this little treat bag and place my poem and worryworm in it, and then tie this treat bag using a satin ribbon, and it makes a perfect classroom gift. So try this and let me know your comments. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. You can find the written pattern of this worryworm in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.